Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get 120 FPS on Fortnite mobile in your iOS device. Really easy and simple. All you need to do first is come here and click on these three horizontal lines here at the top right. Then scroll down and click on the settings cog. Now if I scroll down, I'll show you all these options. So graphics quality, you want to go ahead and keep this at low. 3D resolution, you want to go ahead and lower is as much as you want. Go ahead and set a custom one. Make sure it's at custom. Go slide it down to about 50%. Honestly, if you want, you can even go lower. The lower it is, the better your FPS will be. Texture quality, guys, you want to keep it at low. Downloadable, pre-downloaded cosmetic textures, make sure this option is off. And then come here, low power mode, can enable this. And this one is okay, and it's really that easy and simple. This should give you the best FPS. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.